Hi, I'm Uzma and this is Dia.
Hi.
We own Cannoli and we were bored, so we would like to introduce you to our team. Oves is our manager. Oves?
Hi.
Good. Dia, would you like to ask him a few questions?
Wes, how long have you been working for us?
I think last 9 years.
9 years.
Yeah.
Wes was one of our first hires when we opened Cafe Soul.
Yes.
And how many classes have you taken for English?
I think 3.
3.
3 years, you mean?
No.
3 whole courses.
6 months, 1 class.
6 months,
Yes.
1 class.
Yes.
So a year and a half.
So a year and a half you've
Yes.
studied English.
Yes.
So could you please speak to everyone in English and say a sentence?
Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Awasafal and I job their manager and that's it.
Shabash.
So this is our manager who's been with us for 9 years. This is the beautiful English he speaks. We just
This is
thought
what we paid for.
this is at a very good salary, mind you. Thank you.